Good afternoon. My name is Darlene Langdon, and I am an office technology researcher. I have been asked from your corporation to come in and present to you the definition between, or to define, team versus work group. So, if you have any questions, if you don't mind, if you could please just wait until the end of my presentation, and I will answer your questions at that time, and hopefully I can answer um, what you need to know. Unfortunately, I was unable to be there, so thank goodness to technology, I can be on Skype and have this presentation with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. So, team versus work group. What is team versus work group? Well, they're pretty close in definition, but they're also very different. Teams and work group, they both are three or more people. But the biggest difference between team versus work group is teams are um, shared. They're shared responsibilities, shared for leadership, and you have different titles and stuff. As for a work group, well, a work group is more individual. Um, so, you have to think of where you, what do you want in your business? Do you want team or do you want a work group? Um, the the big difference is teams. You're more um, you work together. In work groups, you're more separate. Is how I feel. Um, from all the research I've done, it's been a big thing going on in corporations. It helps companies become very widespread to grow more. They've become very successful. I'm not saying that work groups don't. I mean, they do too. I have companies that do both. As a matter of fact, I have one guy that I had interviewed. He works for a big corporation, something in Wisconsin, matter of fact. And they're a very successful company, and they use both the work group and the teams. Um, they break up into, they have a team in the morning where they have a big team meeting. Everybody, goes through, they do a little brainstorming, and they set up the agendas for the day. They do daily meetings, which I think is a really good thing for a business. Seeing, especially when you have a big corporation and you're widespread. This way, everybody is you all still are connected. And also for technology, we have the Skype and all that kind of stuff, which helps you be able to communicate as well that way. Um, they have different departments or different specialties in their profession, and they also have other facilities that aren't, in the same city, but they do the projects together, so they team up with them as well, which I thought was kind of cool, because they try to keep them utilized together, or they try to keep them connected, so they're not separate. That they feel that they're all together. To me, teams also is makes you feel good. It makes everyone have a part into the business as well as a position or a place. Um, they have found by doing the teams, everybody likes their job better. There's more communication compared to a work group. Um, so, you have to consider, what do you want out of your company? What do you want to gain? What do you want to, I don't know, what do you want your, do you want your business to be successful and more successful? So you got different questions to think of. Um, so why don't we kind of touch base on stages to team building? I think team building would be the a good start to consider. Thinking of teams, I think teams would be the way for your corporation to go. Looks like you guys are a very big corporation, and I feel that teams kind of keep the corporation together and run as one company. There's staging, which is the first stage. So for stage 1 is the forming. People express difference and check out each other to see if you're going to be able to get along. You want to make sure your feelings and that are together. Little work is accomplished. Conflicts may emerge. There's value. There's the task. So you want to feel included, and you want to expect that your opinions will be respected as well as the other person. Stage 2 is your storming. Well, can we work together? So you want to think of that. And then you got to think of more conflicts are going to emerge, and members are going to negotiate tasks and pick and choose. So power plays may occur. Who's in charge and what actions are taken toward the goal. So you want to consider, who do you want in charge? And I feel it is a good thing to have one person in charge, because you're going to have all these different titles and projects and different parts of the project. So you want one person, so like the project manager, for instance. You will go to that person. He's the head of your project, and then you will give him, after you've done your meetings and your brainstorming and all that, and then you guys correlate that way. You got teams must bring conflict out in open. Encourage good communication skills. I firmly believe that, because that's how you guys communicate. You're going to have disagreements, which is healthy and resolvable. There's always a solution for something. And to be a team, you have to be able to open up and communicate, and be able to know what the goals are, and be able to discuss, do you agree or don't agree. Stage 3 is the norming. How will we work together? Well, how would we work together? You're going to create the rules. Everybody needs to understand the rules of your team. Productivity, work together. Team pride development. Your task is going to deepen skills and understand and increase the productivity. My voice is getting dry. Sorry. Share opinions and skills. Evaluate the criticalness and the constructiveness of your decisions. Stage 4 is the performing. How can we work to be smarter? So you want to much work can occur. Learn, maybe come from being creative, leadership, responsibilities. The tasks are going to be that you're going to achieve your task. You're going to deal with the group decisions. You're going to build the skills. You're going to use your knowledge, and use your time very wisely is the most important step. And then stage 5, the last one, is the reforming. Should we continue? Well, this is basically just making sure that your group's goals are achieved, and you're going to be able to meet your deadlines, and you'll be able to process the whole staging process. So my biggest advice to you is teamwork is awesome. Makes a corporation more successful. By doing my steps here, my stages will help you make a very successful team. And especially, you have to be able to discuss and agree and disagree, and be able to work together, and be able to have disagreements and agreements, and be able to focus on your deadlines. So hopefully this helps you out. If you have any questions, please give me a call or email me. I'll be more than willing to help you out and try to help you develop your team and become a very successful team, as well make your company more successful. Again, my name is Darlene Langdon. I am the Office Technology Researcher, and I hope my information has helped you. Please have a nice day, and I will talk to you later.